Hello students, in this session we will discuss all naming reactions in haloalkenes and haloarenes chapter. There are totally 10 naming reactions in this chapter. Woods reaction, Fittig reaction, Woods-Fittig reaction, Sandmeyer's reaction, Gattermann's reaction, Swett's reaction, Finkelstein reaction, Balskiemen reaction, Ullmann reaction and Friedel-Crafts reaction. So first reaction, Woods reaction. Here alkyl halide which reacts with the sodium in the presence of dry ether will get hydrocarbons. Here the hydrocarbons containing double the number of carbon atom which is present in the halide. So let's see, two molecules of methyl bromide which on reaction with sodium in the presence of dry ether, you will get here methyl, so doubling the number of carbon, you will get ethane, CH3, CH3. So see here, CH3, CH2, Br, two molecules of ethyl bromide which on reaction with sodium in the presence of dry ether. Here sodium bromide get eliminated, so doubling the number of carbon. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 which is butane, ethane. And the second reaction which is Fittig reaction. In case of Fittig reaction, two molecules of aryl halides which on reaction with sodium in the presence of dry ethyl, you will get diphenyl compound. So see here, chlorobenzene. Two molecules of chlorobenzene which on reaction with sodium in the presence of dry ether, here Na and Cl eliminated, so we will get biphenyl compound. Plus two molecules of NaCl. The next one, here these two groups are joined together to form a product. Next, third reaction which is Woods-Fittig reaction. Here one molecule of Woods-Fittig, Woods reaction alkyl halide, Fittig reaction aryl halide. So both are combined together with sodium in the presence of dry ether, alkyl arenes formed. So one molecule of alkyl halide plus two molecules of sodium which on reaction with aryl halide in the presence of dry ether, the product here Br, so here Br, bromobenzene. NaCl got eliminated, so product CH3. NaBr eliminated, two molecules of NaBr eliminated, so CH3 which is attached to this benzene, we got toluene. The next fourth reaction which is Ullmann reaction. Here two molecules of iodobenzene which on reaction with copper powder will get biphenyl compound. Iodobenzene which on reaction with copper powder we get biphenyl compound. The next one which is Sandmeyer's reaction. In this reaction, here chlorine, bromine and cyanide nucleophiles can be easily introduced in the benzene ring. of benzene diazonium salt in the presence of cuprous chloride ion, which means copper ion. Okay, so this reaction we call it as Sandmeyer's reaction. So here I'll take it benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl. This benzene diazonium chloride which on reaction with cuprous chloride in the presence of HCl, cuprous bromide in the presence of HBr, and copper cyanide in the presence of potassium cyanide. The compound nitrogen gas evolved here. So here this chlorobenzene formed. Here bromobenzene formed. Here cyanobenzene formed. It's a Sandmeyer's reaction. Sandmeyer's reaction, cuprous chloride, cuprous bromide and copper cyanide. You keep it in your mind. Then sixth reaction, which is Gattelmann's reaction. Same reaction, same process takes place, but in case of cuprous chloride and all, here copper powder is used. Okay, so same benzene diazonium chloride N2Cl, which on reaction with copper powder in the presence of acid HCl, copper powder in the presence of HBr, the corresponding benzenes form. Here chlorobenzene, here bromobenzene. With the release of CuCl. The next reaction is Swett's reaction. Okay, totally 5 reactions over here. Then sixth reaction, Swett's reaction. Okay, Boltzmann reaction. Next reaction. In case of Boltzmann reaction, here benzene diazonium chloride which on reaction with fluoroboric acid, HBF4, fluoroboric acid, or benzene which on reaction with fluoroboric acid, your product as an intermediate compound benzene diazonium tetrafluoride is obtained. So N2, here this HCl got eliminated, N2BF4 is an intermediate product. Further, which on heating you will get fluorobenzene. So nitrogen gas evolved over here and BF3 is eliminated. Fluorobenzene is obtained. N2 plus BF3. The next reaction, Swett's reaction. In case of Swett's reaction, here alkyl halide which on reaction with metal fluoride. So metal fluorides like silver fluoride, mercurous fluoride, cobalt fluoride, stibnite fluoride, which gives the alkyl fluorides, especially AgF. See here CH3Br, alkyl halide which on reaction with silver fluoride. This Swett's reaction is the exchange of ions takes place. Exchange of ions. So your product is alkyl fluoride, methyl fluoride plus AgBr. Halogen exchange method, ion exchange method. The next reaction is Finkelstein reaction. In Finkelstein reaction, alkyl halides which on reaction with sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone, your product is alkyl iodide. So here alkyl halide, so methyl chloride which on reaction with sodium iodide. Finkelstein reaction, sodium iodide. Here halide exchange method takes place, ion exchange method. So here your product is alkyl iodide, you will get methyl iodide plus NaCl. Okay, here this alkyl halide, here the halide